Good morning, children. Third grade, social science, pollution. Right, children? In the first two parts, we learned about environment, surroundings, what our environment consists, then pollution, then land pollution and water pollution. Right, children? The act of making environment dirty is called pollution, right, children? In that again there are many types of pollution like land and water we discussed. Today we are going to learn another two types of pollution, that is air pollution and noise pollution. Yes, children, if you are in Bangalore, definitely you will be knowing what is air pollution. The surrounded air gets polluted. What happens? The smoke from the vehicles, smoke from the factories, or if we burn the garbage, smoke from that garbage, all these things are causing air pollution. Right, children? What are the effects of air pollution? You may get illness like lungs may get affected, you may get cough again and again, you may feel difficulty in breathing. Right, children? These are the main causes or effects of air pollution. So, if you are planning, if in your family anybody is planning for any two-wheeler, that is petrol or diesel vehicle, tell them in a friendly way, ask them to buy a cycle instead of a two-wheeler. Right, children? Okay. So, this is air pollution. What happens when we breathe the polluted air? There may be so many things may happen, right? You may feel sick. If you don't ride a vehicle also, if you stand in a signal, in any of the signal in Bangalore, within 10 minutes you feel like choking or coughing. Right, children? This is the thing because of air pollution. So, how to control this air pollution? There are few ways to control air pollution. The first one is use less vehicle. As I told you, use bicycles. They do not pollute. Or use electric vehicles. They also do not pollute the air. Right, children? So, use cycles as much as possible. Use electric vehicles as much as possible. Avoid engine vehicles which emit polluted smoke. Right, children? Which emits smoke. So, it's better if you use cycle or electric vehicle. How to control the air pollution? Reduce of use of vehicles. As I told you, reduce it. If it is nearby, go by walk. It will be good for your health. It will be good for your environment also. Right, children? Next, treat the smoke coming out from the industries. Yes, treat the smoke which comes out from the industry, which is polluting our environment. Treat it. Then, not to burn the garbage. As I told you in the previous videos, that garbage is creating a lot of pollution. Few people, what they do, they fire it. If you burn it, it's going to cause more pollution. Right, children? So, as much as possible, segregate the garbage and make it reusable or make it compost, so that compost can be used for agriculture and all this purpose. So, reduce burning the garbage. Then, plant more trees. As I told you, plant one tree every year. For example, if your Nana or Dadi's place, that is your granny's place, is in any village, if you visit in summer holidays, go there, plant a tree. For example, plant a coconut tree or plant a mango tree. If you are in a 3rd standard, if you plant a coconut tree, when you reach 10th standard, you can drink tender coconut, children, right? Yes, you can drink tender coconut. So plant as many as plants possible. These are the only ways where we can control the air pollution. Use bicycles or electric vehicles. Don't burn the garbage. Plant more trees and treatment plant. The smoke emitted by the industries should be treated. Right, children? The next pollution is noise pollution. Noise, as the name says, if you heard heavy noise, definitely it is polluting the surrounding. If you go near any hospital, there will be a signboard saying no noise, because it's a noise, it should be a noise free zone, right children? So noise pollution is created by honking, unnecessary honking, and too much of vehicles and too much of sound noise created by any particular factory or vehicles. So how to control the noise pollution? How to control it? During the festivals, avoid firecrackers as much as possible, because if you burn the firecrackers, the pollution noise pollution will increase. Because of that, sometimes few people may get ill, right children? So use other non crackers which do not make any sound. Okay, next is not to use loudspeakers. Now it is banned, but still don't use loudspeakers in public or in personal life also. It may pollute, it may disturb your mindset also. So next, don't honk unnecessarily. When there is no necessary to horn it, don't honk. If you honk unnecessarily, definitely it will create a noise pollution. So children, in this chapter, that is pollution, we learn few things like environment, pollution, types of pollution. In types of pollution, it is water, it is land, it is air, and it is noise pollution. Right children? So I hope you understood the lesson. So read well and do the assignments. Thank you.